Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Louie. Happy birthday to you. Ready?
Smile.
I thank you guys, each one of you, for coming, because a party isn't a party until people come, you know? And my life is so neat. It's better every day. It's still better every day. We had confirmation class on Wednesday, and if the kids didn't sing happy birthday then. And that was really touching. And they were coming out of the rooms to the hall, and I said to another teacher, we must be going upstairs today because everybody is in the hall coming this way. And they caught me to sing happy birthday, and I was doing a little repair work, so I barely got there, so it was almost late. And that was neat. And then they had a card, and each one signed it. Now, at 80 years old, you know, you can't find those kinds of things. They don't just come. So each one of you is, gosh, each one of you is very special that you came here this week. And I really thank God for health, because I got neat health, super neat health. Nothing ails me. So the day that my attitude isn't very good, I'll go to the nursing home. Because there's people in the nursing home much younger than I that don't have health. So if I got health, I better use it, or else why do I even have health? I could be in the nursing home too. So I really treasure that. I treasure that I have health and that I have the opportunity to appreciate it. And I appreciate it more every day, gosh. If I can leave one thing with you, it's keep a good attitude. And I keep telling the kids, attitude is what we choose for ourselves. And attitude can be changed in a snap of a finger. So if you're talking to someone and it's not going right, you know what? It's because of your attitude. And you're the only one who can change it. And you will find peace if your attitude is right. Money will get you nothing. Money is really a burden more than a privilege. So if we have it, we gotta use it wisely, because it'll destroy us. It'll destroy every one of you. And until you realize that all there is in life is to have happiness, you don't need much else. I just need to be here. Gosh. I thank you again. There's Laddie. I didn't see him. Thank you.
Just barely look 62 to me. Should be just drawing your Social Security right now. Well, congratulations. You got a lot of family here, a lot of Butkiewicz. I know that's the Polish pronunciation, right? Butkiewicz. I got that right? So it's good to see you all here. So, happy birthday again.
Keep going, Bryson!
There was such a big hole there. Go, 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 go!
there, and they come back in the first shot, and they take that one. Casey's getting it up there. He sends it over to Bryson, and Bryson puts that one in. Nice teamwork there. Casey to Bryson again, and Rebels put one in with 1:17 to go in the second.
Keep working.
Rebels take a 5-3 lead. Bryson on the line. Bryson steals that one. He brings it in. He does a nice backhanded shot and another nice score by Bryson, stealing that puck, bringing it to the net and putting her in. Sending it back. Casey takes it. Up there. Bryson picks that one up. He shoots and scores. Nice shot over the shoulder and Casey keeping that one there now. Bryson over to Casey. Casey to Bryson, and it's a shot and a score. Nice teamwork there between Casey and Bryson back and forth, and Rebels put another one on the board here. Bryson picks that one out of the zone. He's skating it up. He's putting it in. Brings it all the way. He scores. Nice shot there by Bryson, bringing it in. Comes up to Bryson. Bryson skating it up. He breaks between the defenders. He's got a breakaway. He shoots and scores. Up behind our net. Wyatt sending it up to Bryson. Bryson with a hard check along the boards there.
From our family to yours, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay, wait, people. Graham is the one saying from our family.
Oh.
All right.
Okay. From our family to yours,
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
That's right.
Photoshop can't fix. Yo, yo, yo!
From the Carleton district, we have Louis Butkiewicz and his son Rory, daughter-in-law Deb, and grandsons Brendan and Bryson of Kettle River. They operate Butkiewicz Family Farm, raising beef cattle, hay, vegetables, and fruit. The farm was established by Louis' parents in 1904. The family has planted many acres of trees, showing exemplary responsibility for manure and fertilizer management, and has had land enrolled in the Conservation Reserve Program since 1998. He's currently monitoring past tree plantings for forest stand improvement, managing deer browse on last plantings of his native shrubs, and working on site preparation for future conifer plantings. Whether it's a beautiful slicer tomato, a quality bale of hay, or a 50-foot white spruce, the hard work and respect for the land that the Butkiewicz's family have is very evident. From Carleton County, the Butkiewicz's.